there everyone. I decided to make a second video about how to access missing work because it looks like with the trimester change, they changed some things on Schoology. So it's looking a little bit different than it did during my last video. So how you access the missing grades now is very similar. You go to the attendance, AM attendance, you go to grades. So now homework, this is from trimester 1, obviously. So this is over, we don't need to deal with it anymore. The next one is trimester 2, graded assignments. So here are all of today's assignments. They're right here, pretty easy to find. They're under this year's grading period. Just go to trimester 2. So any work that your child might be missing will show up here with a little hexagon and the word missing next to it. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. Hopefully this makes it easier on everyone.